Most unusual buildings in the world. 1. Beagle Hotel, Idaho. A wacky dog-shaped house. Guests are very welcome to sleep inside this Beagle. The unusual dog-shaped house is available to visitors in Cottonwood in the US state of Idaho from April to October and offers guests a fridge, microwave, free internet and a bathtub. The cost per night is actually very reasonable, with a one-night stay for two people costing $132. The Beagle Hotel guarantees a memorable stay for both human and canine guests. 2. Hemisphere, Valencia. The extraordinary architecture of the Hemisphere in Valencia represents a giant human eye, according to architect Santiago Calatrava. It's a great comparison, because inside the structure is a 3D IMAX cinema. With its special design, the Hemisphere fits in perfectly among the surrounding unusual buildings. They are all also part of the City of Arts and Sciences, which is located in a drained riverbed. 3. Longaberger Basket Building, Ohio. A real basket case of a building. This monument of weird architecture goes back to Dave Longaberger, founder of the company of the same name, which specialized in the production of shopping baskets, among other things. Originally, the building was to be the first in a series of curious structures at all of the company's locations. However, the company shelved these plans after the death of its founder. After several years of vacancy, the world's largest house in the shape of a basket celebrated its reopening as a luxury hotel in 2020. 4. The Crooked House, Poland. A wibbly-wobbly retail unit, the Crooked House is part of a shopping center in the Polish city of Sopot. Designed by Sotensi and Jaleski in 2004, this unusual building is one of the most photographed sites in the country. No wonder, as it gives viewers the impression of being drunk. 5. Stone House, Portugal. The Casa do Penidos, or Stone House, in Portugal was built in 1972 to 1974 between several large stone blocks. The inspiration for the unusual house is said to have been the animated series The Flintstones. Since then, the building with its prehistoric charm has become a tourist attraction. Inside, the curious structure houses a small museum. Thank you.